beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
I want to know what's the difference between plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery, because you hear both terms thrown around. You know, people will say, do you know a good plastic surgeon? Someone else will say, do you know a good cosmetic surgeon? Is there a difference?
So I like to think of it easily like this. So a plastic procedure, a plastic surgeon, is something that you need. You get into an accident, you need to have that repair. That's plastic surgery. Cosmetic surgery is something that you want.
Want to see and learn more? Well, you can watch the full episodes with Dr. Mark Berkowitz and Jackie Kallen by searching Accent Your Beauty on YouTube or by going to newradiomedia.com, where you can catch our newest episodes every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our social media pages to keep up to date with our tips and ideas on how to be the more beautiful you. Links in the post above.